from far off places. During winter, many regions of the world are covered with snow. As you can see in this picture here, children, see on the tree there is a snow, isn't it? Food is not easily available. A large number of birds living in these regions fly to warmer places in search of food and shelter. Each winter, that is from December to March, we will be having winter, no? Thousands of birds fly to India. Some of them come from Siberia in Russia. Birds like cranes, painted storks, spoonbills and hornbills. Aren't they beautiful, children? These birds come from Siberia to India. For what reason? For because of food and shelter. In search of food and shelter, they come from Siberia to India. These birds visit our country every year. Why? During winter season, what they will do? They will come to India from Siberia. Such birds are called migratory birds. The birds which will come from one place to another place in the search of food and shelter are called which birds? Migratory birds. The spelling is migratory. Migratory birds. Have you seen such birds in your neighborhood? Have you seen, children, any of the birds? They stay at places where water is in plenty. Many such places have been specially made for them to come and stay. Here they find plenty of fishes to eat. One such well-known place is the Kealdo Ghana Bird Sanctuary. Kealdo Ghana Bird Sanctuary. This is, you can see here in this picture. This bird sanctuary is beautiful, no, children? In these places, they'll get plenty of water, fishes to eat. You like to feed the bird, children? Have you done that before? We feel happy, no, whenever we are feeding birds. It is our culture to feed birds and animals. Have you seen people feeding millets to pigeons and other birds? Have you seen, children? We have seen, no, many times, isn't it? As you can see in the picture also here. This girl is feeding the birds. You can keep grains on your rooftop for the birds to eat. In the terrace, if you have open terrace, what you can do? You can keep the grains, whichever grains you want, you can in one bowl keep the grains so that birds will come and eat them. You can also make a bird bath for the birds to drink and play with water. In the bowl, or if you have any waste material at your home, bowl or any vessel, if it is waste, you can use that. You can fill that vessel with water and keep in the terrace so that birds can come and drink water as well as play in the water. That is nothing but bird bath. Okay, children, if you are interested, you can do, but it is a good job. If you do, it's very good for the birds. We can help the birds, no? Isn't it? Nowadays, human beings are cutting the trees for their needs, isn't it? So to avoid that, we can't do anything, but at least we can help the birds by keeping grains or water, no? If you have a tree or a suitable place in your house, you can make a bird house. I will show you the picture. You can see here. If you are interested, you can make bird house also. If there is place in your home, you can make bird house. However you want, you can do. But I have shown you one of them. Okay, isn't it cute children? Isn't it beautiful? If you are interested, you can make. I will be telling you some important facts about the birds. This is the eagle. The eyesight of an eagle is so sharp that it can spot a rat running on the ground from a height of 3 kilometers and can pounce on it in no time. See the speciality of eagle, children. It has a sharp eyesight. See the distance, 3 kilometers, and can pounce on it in no time. Isn't it interesting? Next one. Bats are not birds. They do not have any feathers on their bodies. They only have a flap of muscles joining the arms to help them fly. You can see in the picture, this is the bat, and it is not a bird as it doesn't have feathers. Okay, children? Last fact. Owls are nocturnal. What do you mean by nocturnal, children? Nocturnal means which is active at night and sleeps during the day. This is the speciality of owls. Owls are nocturnal birds. Both of their eyes are located in front of their face, as you can see here. They can rotate their neck almost full circle. Their feathers do not make any sound when they fly. This is also one of the bird. What is the speciality of this bird? It can rotate its neck almost full circle. Isn't it interesting? Can you rotate your neck? Can we rotate? We don't have that speciality. We can't do that, but owls can do that, and they will be active at night and they will be sleeping during the daytime. Okay, children, I hope you have enjoyed this beautiful chapter. After this chapter, I will be sending you the worksheet. Please write in your classwork.